Jangan coba ini di rumah. Don't try this at home.
Nongolin dong mukanya.
Merokok bisa merusak kesehatan.
Kurang tunduk lagi.
Mending toi. Karena itu bisa menambah kesehatan
Dan kekuatan. You know what it means toi? It's fuk.
Yes.
You know fuk?
Puk.
Fuk. In Bandung is fuk. Okay. Right then. We've got Maroon 5. And song's title is
Bayar telpon.
Payphone. Telpon bayar.
Oh ya.
Telpon bayar. I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my chains I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? Yeah, I know it's hard to remember the people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. You say it's too late to make it, but is it too late to try? I need our time that you wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my night, you turn out the light. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in my time that we call it love. But even the sunset in paradise, I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my chains I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? So long. Where are the plans we made for two? This happy ever after didn't exist. I will still be hoping you like this. No more fairy tales and full of shit. No more fairy love song, I'll be safe. Oh, you turn your back on tomorrow, but you forgot yesterday. I give you my love to borrow, but you just give it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I said it before, look, all of the bridges burned down. I'm wasting my night, you turn on the light. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time that we couldn't love. But even the sunset in paradise, I'm at a payphone trying to go home. All of my kids I spent on you. Where are the times gone, baby? It's so long. Where are the plans we made for two? This happy ever after didn't exist. I would still be hoping you like this. No those fairy tales and full of air. No more fucking love song, I'll be sad.